Welcome to the tutorial for Drop It by Miles Parrish. Let's get it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Then a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Back 5, 6. We 8. Then a 1, 2. Goes 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, and 8. Break 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing 5, 6, 7, and 8. Blankets 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7. Roll that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then a 1, 2, hit 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Scuff 1. Good job, y'all.
Hey, ya tú sabes lo que quiero, let me see you pop it.